Hi, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Amanda Joseph. Today I'm going to share with you how I do this hairstyle, faux butterfly locks in my daughter's hair. Obviously, she's under 18, so she's requested that I not show her face. In the description bar below, I'll put some timestamps so in case you get lost or you're unsure of what you're doing, you can just go back quickly and rewatch a step, as this style is a tiny little bit tricky. Also, in the description bar below, I'll put a link to a similar hair that you can purchase. If you do purchase anything from this link, it would really help support my channel, and I would get a small commission. So we're starting off with freshly washed hair, and I've moisturized it already. Here's a list of tools you're gonna need. You're gonna need a rat tail comb, edge brush, detangling brush, comb, butterfly clamps, crochet hook, eco styler gel to smooth down the edges, and I use 3 packs of butterfly locks crochet braiding hair, about 18 inches long, in the color T27 because that's what closely matches her hair. So first thing we're going to do is detangle the hair very well, and then we're going to plait the hair, but only halfway. We've got to leave the ends out, and I'm going to show you what we're going to do next. Now we're going to install the first lock. You're going to put the crochet hook through the base of the hair of the plait, and then you're going to close the hook and pull it through, just like so. Then you're going to pull the hair through while still on the latch hook, and then you're going to take the end of the other lock and hook it, close it, and pull it through the pre-loop of the lock, and pull it all the way down to the base of the plait. Make sure it's securely attached. So now you should have 2 pieces, the natural hair and the lock. So you're going to put the crochet hook open-ended through the lock until you get to the base of the plait, and then you're going to take the plait and close the hook while it's still on it and pull it through. Then you're going to repeat this action by putting the hook through the lock from where you last left off, and then you're going to pull the hair through, and that will make sure that it's on the inside of the actual lock. Here I just want to show you a close-up of the pre-loop. as it comes out of the box of the individual foot. So I ended up using 2 packs of the braiding hair, and I did 52 individual plaits, and this hairstyle took me about 4.5 hours. 1 hour to prep, part, blow dry, moisturize her hair, and 3.5 hours to crochet the actual faux locks in. To protect her hair at night, she uses a satin bonnet in extra large, and when she takes a shower, she uses a jumbo shower cap to stop her hair from getting wet, which of course will prolong the length that this style will stay looking fresh. And we're finally finished. We're just going to do the final touches. We're going to lay down her baby hairs using the Eco Salad gel, like so, and the edge brush. As always, don't forget to rate, comment, subscribe, and click the notification bell below so that you can be notified of when I next upload. Thanks for watching.